In the lively and fast-changing city of Dallas, Texas, homeowners and renters are embracing smarter ways to secure their homes. Smartphone-based home security systems are at the forefront of this revolution, offering unmatched convenience, safety, and peace of mind. Whether you own a spacious smart home or lease a cozy apartment, modern security solutions provide tailored benefits that address your needs. This guide will show how smartphone home security systems can make protecting your home and loved ones easier. Why choose smartphone home security in Dallas? Dallas is a bustling metropolis known for its dynamic neighborhoods, diverse population, and fast-paced lifestyle. Yet, like any growing city, ensuring safety and security remains a top concern. Here's why a smartphone-enabled system makes sense. Remote monitoring and control. With a smartphone home security system, you can monitor your home from anywhere, whether you're at the office, on vacation, or simply running errands. Example, forgot to lock the door? With just a tap on your smartphone, you can secure your home without rushing back. Customization for urban living. Whether you're a homeowner in Highland Park or a renter in Uptown, these systems adapt to your living space. Homeowners can enjoy robust multi-device integration, while renters benefit from no-drill installations. Real-time alerts, instant notifications for motion detection, door openings, or unusual activity ensure you're always in the loop. Key benefits for homeowners in Dallas. As a homeowner, you're likely focused on long-term solutions that protect your investment and provide peace of mind. Smartphone security systems offer integrated smart home automation, synchronized security cameras, smart locks, and lighting systems for a unified experience. Program lights to turn on at dusk or create schedules for when you're away. Enhanced safety for families. Keep an eye on kids returning from school through video doorbells or indoor cameras. Monitor older family members with systems that track activity and health metrics. Insurance savings. Many insurance companies offer discounts for homes equipped with security systems, leading to significant cost savings. Pro tip: check with your insurer about potential deductions for installing a smartphone-enabled security system. Unique advantages for renters in Dallas apartments. Renters face unique challenges such as temporary housing or restrictions on permanent installations. Smartphone-based systems shine here too. No drilling required. Peel and stick devices like window sensors and battery-powered cameras keep your deposit safe. Portable solutions. Moving apartments? These systems can move with you, ensuring continuity of security. Affordable options. Flexible plans and low upfront costs make these systems accessible even on a budget. Example. A renter in Bishop Arts can easily install a camera at their door without violating lease agreements. Modern smartphone home security systems are packed with features that make traditional setups obsolete. Mobile app integration means you can control your system remotely, receive alerts, and manage devices from anywhere. HD cameras provide crystal clear footage, helping you identify visitors or potential threats with ease. With two-way audio, you can communicate with delivery personnel or even deter intruders directly. Smart lock compatibility lets you lock or unlock doors remotely using just your smartphone. And some systems come with energy management tools, allowing you to control thermostats and lighting, ultimately saving energy. Addressing common concerns. Is it secure to rely on smartphone technology? Leading systems employ advanced encryption and multi-factor authentication to protect your data. What happens during power outages? Many systems include backup batteries and cellular connectivity, ensuring continuous operation. Are these systems expensive? Not necessarily. Entry-level packages start at an affordable price with options to expand as needed. Real-life success stories from Dallas, a family in Lakewood. After installing a smartphone home security system, this family avoided a potential break-in thanks to real-time alerts and immediate police dispatch. A renter in Deep Ellum. Using a portable system, this renter secured their apartment and gained peace of mind without breaking the lease agreement. How to choose the right system for your Dallas home. When selecting a system, consider the following. Ease of use. Look for intuitive apps and user-friendly interfaces. Scalability. Choose systems that allow you to add devices over time. Customer support. Reliable customer service can make a significant difference, especially during installation. Taking the next step. Smartphone home security systems are more than gadgets. They invest in safety, convenience, and peace of mind. If you're ready to enhance your home security, consider contacting a trusted provider in Dallas. For more information, visit our website hometecher.shop. Super https://www.hellotech.com/blog/benefits-of-smart-home-security-system on-screen text.